What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show the effectiveness of a pet brush. This one's specifically from Chemical Guys. It's just a rubber brush really for pet hair. If you are someone that has any kind of animals that shed and you put them in your car, this is game changing. I mean, look at that's after and this is before. And this brush picked up 90% of it and then sucked it up with the vacuum. It's just something I wanted to share. I think these are super beneficial. The Chemical Guys one was on sale when I bought it, and I was already buying stuff directly from them, but you can certainly buy a comparable one from Amazon. I'll see if I can find one and put a link in the description. But yeah, the pet hair brush for car interior cleaning is a game changer. Pulls up all the hair and makes the interior look brand new again. All right, thanks for watching.